I'm Brent. For me, hunting and fishing is not just about the harvest of an animal. It's about the challenge. It's about the adventure. It's about mateship. It's about getting outdoors where I feel most alive. This is Breno's Outdoors.
Morning.
Morning.
So we're going out for a fish. It's after we had all that heavy rain. The water's really dirty. We're not exactly sure what we're going to do. We'll get some live bait and then we'll make a decision from there.
Yeah. What bait's around depends on what predators is around. We can always go and catch flathead.
Alright, see what happens. We got liveys. Decided to go for kings. We haven't had much luck lately with the kings, have we, Jay?
No, we haven't. It's been a while since I've had some sashimi.
Yeah, so hopefully I have better luck today. If you're watching this, then I'd say we get onto them.
The day started off slow, but we persisted till we had a tide change, and then the fish started to bite.
Right?
Yep.
Seems decent.
Oh.
Done, yeah?
Bottom.
Hey?
Up to the bottom.
Yeah. Feels more like a kingy, but I don't know if it's real good. But yeah, give it some distance. Gone.
That was a kingfish.
That was kingfish, but it didn't even feel that big. We were in some quite shallow water though. Oh well. Re-rigging time. Yay! Ah! Oh, yeah.
Didn't you just re-rig?
You thought I'm sure it's just pulled hooks.
What
Not a dodgy knot. It's
What
snapped
happened?
below the knot.
They got you. They reefed you again.
Yeah. Got him? Bonito. He did it with Jag. Oh.
Oh. Oh.
You don't even know.
Now it does. Huh? Oh, salmon. Oh, that's a big salmon.
That is a big salmon.
Hot pie, Jay?
Thank you.
I've got this thing. A little pie warmer on the boat. Hot pies for lunch.
On?
Yep.
Coming. Going Kingfish.
Don't be afraid to use big baits. This 50cm salmon and a 25cm yak.
Come out of the water, did it?
Yep, yep. Go, Jay, go inside, go! Go!
In and out.
I don't think it's as big as the other one. But that is a kingy! Woohoo! Is it legal?
Just, I think. It's probably 70. 68 maybe?
Oh, he's only just. Oh, he's 69. Yeah! Woohoo! I think the other one I lost was a lot bigger than this one. But leave a kingfish on the boat.
What the fuck is that for?
What do you mean?
Live are.
Look what happened to my reel. Bloody handle fell off. Shimano, I'm coming to see ya. Cheers, mate.
Cheers. Another day done.
If we hadn't caught every kingfish that we hooked, it would have been a very good day.
It would have been a very good day. It turned out average.
Bloody kingies, what they do is you hook them and then they run down to the reef and bust you off on the reef. So we only managed to bring one home. Yeah, next time you see us, but we'll be out in the bush. So looking forward to that trip. We've got a week booked in the bush, state forest, and we'll be chasing the deer in the rut. So for a deer hunter, it's a pretty exciting time of the year. So yeah, hopefully next time we're holding some big antlers.
Well, if we're going anyway, we'll be out there.
Yeah, I'm sure we'll put some type of video together. Alright.
Hopefully it's a good one.
Hope so. Alright, see you next time.
See ya.